Hey everybody, welcome back to the AI Chef Kitchen. Chef Kevin, good to see you as always.
Yeah, I'm glad to be here, Chef David, and I'm hungry for your new AI tip.
This is a fun one. This is our seasoned to taste stir fry. We've used stir fry before, but this is going to be seasoned to taste. And something I always love is going in. I usually am in South Florida, so you see this a lot in the wings places. Do you want mild? Do you want medium? Do you want spicy? And with our wings places, there's like 30 different, right? There's atomic, super atomic, but customization is always a good thing, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Now, there are times in the work environment where you need to customize. Let's say you have a new technical update on a product. You need a spicy version for the engineering team with all the details in it, every little thing. They can handle it. It could be hot. They can handle it. That would overwhelm the CEO. That would blow their minds. The CEO needs the medium version, just the basic facts, what they need to know, what's going on. And then you need the sweet, mild version for the marketing team. They just need to know the benefits. They can come up with the marketing materials to promote it. So what you usually would do in the old and ancient days, a few years ago before AI, is you would sit down and you would write 3 different updates.
Right.
Now just tell AI, hey, this is going to be a seasoned stir fry. I need my spicy version for the engineers. I need my medium version for the C-suite. And I need my my mild sweet version for the marketing team. Let it do the work. And you have your customized, seasoned to taste, spicy, medium, and mild stir fry. What do you think, Chef Kevin?
I like it. The only thing that could make this better is if you showed the effectively the food at the end. I would love to see some examples of how that works, but I'm definitely gonna try that because that makes a lot of sense and it saves you, I imagine, a lot of time, Chef David.
Let's make that a challenge for the viewers. Show us your spicy, mild, and medium season to taste spicy stir fry recipes in the comments below. We'll do a follow-up episode because you're right. Some examples of this would be kind of fun.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. Thanks everyone for watching. We'll see you with the next tip. Please like and subscribe.